about it. Everything about it.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by RPGSHOW, and this is the beautiful unit that I'll be reviewing today. This is an 18-inch Yaki texture full lace wig. It comes with the slightly tinted transparent Swiss lace. You're going to have, as I mentioned, a full lace unit, which allows you the ability to part down the middle all the way through the back. You also have the ability to wear it up in a high ponytail. This wig does come pre-plucked, very well I might add. This unit comes with the standard 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, and an adjustable elastic band. So now I'm going to put this unit on. And this is what the unit looks like on my head before I cut the lace. These are what the sideburns are looking like. And this is what the parting area is looking like. If you want to go ahead and do a ball cap, then you can. As you guys know, a ball cap is going to give you like the most flawless look you can. But I don't have time to do ball caps because I changed my units up a lot. And I found that if I just use my concealer foundation powder to fill in the parting space, it works just fine. Before I cut the lace, I want you to take a good look at this transparent lace. As you can see, it's very clear and almost invisible on my head and gives such a natural look while wearing it. Before I cut the lace, I'm gonna go in with my flat iron just to flatten the top of this unit down. And I'm using my Faithfully Asia Beauty wax stick. This is available for purchase. It will be linked in the description box down below. And this combined with the flat iron just allows the hair to lay very flat and natural on my head. As you can see, this hair straightens very nicely. I only did 2 passes over it initially and it's already flat. So just for comparison, this is the hot comb side and this is the regular side that I haven't gone over with the hot comb yet. Now look how nice and natural this looks. And you can't even tell I didn't cut the lace yet. That's how bomb this lace is. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to cut the lace. Now I'm going to add some of the concealer to the parting area, even though it kind of looks good already without the concealer. And just like that, I'm done with this install. Now y'all know, it don't get no better than that, okay? Glueless, no baby hairs. And it's a full lace unit. I may have to add some concealer to the parting in the back, but this can be braided all the way down. So you can rock 2 braids, 2 pigtails, a high pony, whatever you want. So this is what this looks like. I'm gonna stand up so you could see where this lays on me. It is layered in the front, and this is where it lays in the back. Okay, dolls, so real quick, I had to leave. I had a nail appointment. Priorities. Nah. Anyway, I've been wearing this unit all day today. So I just want to show you guys the flexibility of this full lace unit. So I'm going to go ahead and add 2 braids to this unit just to give you guys an idea on what it would look like. Okay, dolls, so these are my 2 braids. I feel like y'all judging me, okay? Don't judge my braids, okay? I am not a braider. I don't have book me or style seat in my bio, okay? I did this just for y'all, so appreciate it, okay? I did this for y'all, so bear with me. So this is basically what the 2 braids looks like. I'm gonna turn around just to let you guys get an idea of what the full lace looks like. Of course, it will be better in the back if you glue it down or spray it down just to hold it down. I didn't do that. I just used the elastic band, so it's not as clean as it can be, but you get the idea. Okay, so real quickly, I'm gonna give you the information on this unit. As I mentioned, this unit is from RPGSHOW. They are a premium brand. They are the sister company to My First Wig. Actually, this is the first time I've received a full lace wig in a couple of years. Not many companies make full lace wigs anymore. I guess it's too expensive, the process of actually knitting the lace throughout the full head. So you can expect that this is a premium product, which means it's going to cost more than a lace frontal unit. However, you do have the versatility of parting it all the way to the back, wearing it in ponytails on the side, and you just have flexibility to style it like you would your normal hair. So that's why it comes with the extra price tag. I'm not sure if they're gonna have a coupon code available for me, but if they do, I will have it across the screen, and I also have it linked in the description box down below, along with the links to purchase this unit. And here's my outfit of the day. Shop this look and more at shopfabulous.com. Be sure and follow us on Instagram as well, where you get discounts on the units used in review on my channel, as well as all the trendy fashion. So dolls, before I go, you already know I'm gonna need y'all help helping me name this wig. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down. I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. And if you're not part of the faithful fam, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the family. As always important, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.